Every gardener eventually faces this soil showdown: charcoal dust or wood ash. Both are born from the same source, yet what they do beneath the surface couldn't be more different. One builds a lasting foundation of fertility, the other delivers a powerful nutrient punch that your plants feel almost instantly. Get this balance right, and your soil transforms into a living, breathing ecosystem that keeps feeding your crops for years to come. Get it wrong, and you'll end up with stunted growth, nutrient lockouts, or damaged roots. Today on Crop Corner, we're breaking it all down: the real science, the exact formulas, and the right steps to make these natural soil boosters work together like magic. Charcoal dust, often called biochar in gardening, is not just burnt wood. It's a carbon-rich structure created when wood burns with very little oxygen. What's left behind is a porous skeleton, a stable network of tiny chambers that hold onto water, nutrients, and life. Imagine your soil as a city. Biochar is the infrastructure, the buildings and streets that allow everything else to function better. It doesn't feed your plants directly. Instead, it helps your soil hold on to the nutrients that do. What makes biochar truly remarkable is its stability. Once it's in your soil, it stays there, not for months, but for centuries. It doesn't decompose like compost or manure. Instead, it acts as a long-term storage vault for moisture, beneficial microbes and minerals. This means your soil becomes more resilient against drought, erosion and nutrient leaching. Scientific trials show that even adding 5 to 10% biochar by soil volume can significantly boost microbial activity, improve yields and reduce fertilizer loss. But there's a crucial catch. Raw biochar can temporarily lock up nutrients. Its high surface area can absorb nitrogen and other key minerals, making them unavailable to your plants. That's why, every smart gardener charges their biochar before applying it. To charge biochar, just mix 1 part biochar with 1 part compost by volume, and add about 3 litres, roughly 3 quarts, of water to moisten it evenly. Let this sit for at least a week. During that time, the pores fill with nutrients and beneficial microbes, turning inert carbon into, a living soil booster. Once charged, your biochar is ready to bring life back into tired, sandy, or compacted soils. Now, let's talk about the other side of the equation: wood ash. While biochar builds long-term fertility, wood ash delivers immediate results. It's what's left after wood burns completely, transforming into a fine, mineral-rich powder. Wood ash is packed with calcium, potassium, and small amounts of phosphorus and magnesium, all vital nutrients for strong stems, vibrant leaves, and healthy fruiting. Its magic lies in its alkalinity. Wood ash is naturally high in calcium carbonate, the same compound found in garden lime. This means it can neutralize acidic soils almost instantly, making it perfect for gardeners dealing with acidic ground, below pH 6.5. Tomatoes, beans, and brassicas thrive in slightly alkaline soils, so a careful dusting of wood ash can make all the difference. But that same alkalinity can turn destructive if overused. Adding too much ash can raise the soil pH too high, locking out essential micronutrients and damaging tender roots. That's why balance is key. For a standard 10 by 10 foot garden bed, which is about 100 square feet, use about 1/2 to 3/4 of a kilogram or 1 to 1.5 pounds of clean, untreated wood ash. That's enough to gently lift acidity without overliming your soil. Before applying, always test your soil pH. If your reading is 7.0 or higher, skip the ash. But if it's below 6.5, it's safe to apply. Spread the ash evenly across the surface, never pile it, and rake it into the top inch of soil. Oh, and if it's windy, lightly moisten the area first to prevent ash from blowing away. Here's the secret that many expert gardeners swear by: biochar and wood ash are not rivals, they're partners. Biochar improves soil structure and long-term nutrient retention, while wood ash corrects pH and supplies fast-acting minerals. Used together, they create the perfect foundation for both immediate and lasting fertility. For your 10 by 10 foot garden bed, here's the ideal recipe. You'll need 2 cubic feet of charged biochar, 1 pound, or about 1/2 kilogram, of clean wood ash, and 2.5 gallons, which is roughly 10 litres, of water. First, mix your charged biochar thoroughly into the top 4 to 6 inches of soil, since this is where roots are most active. Once that's done, just evenly dust your measured wood ash across the surface. Rake it gently into the top inch. Finally, water the entire area with about 10 litres, or 2.5 gallons, of water to help minerals dissolve and settle. Then let your soil rest for 1 to 2 weeks before planting. This waiting period allows pH levels and microbial activity to balance out. When you return, you'll notice a remarkable difference. Darker, lighter, more crumbly soil that honestly smells alive. While both of these natural soil boosters are powerful, misusing them can do more harm than good. Never use ash from charcoal briquettes or treated wood, as these contain harmful chemicals and heavy metals that can poison your soil. Always use pure, natural wood ash. Now, avoid mixing fresh wood ash directly into compost or nitrogen fertilizers. The ash reacts chemically, releasing ammonia and, well, wasting valuable nitrogen that your plants need. Similarly, don't keep adding ash year after year without testing your soil. Alkalinity can build up over time. And remember, never add raw biochar directly to your beds. Without charging it first, it can absorb nutrients from your soil, leaving your young plants starved. Charging it with compost or manure tea is the best way to make sure it supports growth from day one. If your goal is to build lasting soil structure, improve water retention, and create a resilient foundation for long-term fertility, charcoal dust, also known as biochar, is your champion. It's the memory of your soil, really, holding on to nutrients, moisture, and life season after season. If you need to correct acidic soil quickly and add a fast burst of potassium and calcium, wood ash is your best ally. It's like a quick dose of minerals that sets your soil chemistry right before planting. Use them together wisely, and you'll have the best of both worlds, a living soil system that keeps feeding itself. So here's your supercharged soil recipe, just one more time. For every 100 square feet, mix 2 cubic feet of charged biochar with 1 pound of clean wood ash, and finish with 2.5 gallons of water. Wait 2 weeks before planting and then watch your crops thrive like never before. Great gardening doesn't come from fancy fertilizers. It comes from understanding the science beneath your feet. When you give your soil the right foundation, it rewards you with abundance year after year. If this guide helped you unlock the real power of charcoal dust and wood ash, don't forget to subscribe to Crop Corner, drop a like, and share this with a fellow gardener. Let's keep growing smarter, one garden bed at a time.